Hello traders, you are welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be talking about one of the most popular momentum indicators, being the MACD indicator, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator. Now, the MACD is a very popular tool that traders use to analyze momentum and trend changes in the market. So in this video, basically, we are going to break down how to read the MACD lines, and the histograms. You see the histogram bars and the MACD lines, and how to spot key crossover points that signal buy or sell opportunities. So now, how do you identify buy opportunities with the MACD? We can see that the MACD has a zero level. This is the indicator window, and we can see a zero level around here. Now, when the MACD line crosses above the zero level after the histogram bars have already begun to form, it shows that there is bullish momentum. However, when you want to take your buy trade, you have to look out for the histogram bars beginning to form. Perhaps after the first histogram bar form above the zero level, it's a buy signal. So you can enter your buy trade right after the first histogram bar forms, which would have been around here. Would have entered around here for the buy. Then when the histogram line, not the histogram line, when the MACD line, these broken lines, when it now begins to move upward, that is like an extra confirmation that the bullish momentum is continuing, guys. So after the first histogram bar forms, you can enter your buy trade, and then when the MACD line begins to move upward, you can just patiently wait for the bullish trend to continue. Then before you consider exiting your buy trade, you can wait for the MACD line, the histogram bars, you can wait for the histogram bars to fall below the zero line. After this must have ranged for a while, that is the histogram bars. After the histogram bars must have ranged for a while, when the bulls begin to lose momentum, the bars will then fall below the zero level. So once the bars fall below the zero level, is an indication to quit your buy trade. Okay, so had it been we had entered our buy trade around here and exited somewhere around here after the histogram bars fell below the zero level, we would have caught about 1700 pips. Now this is the daily time frame that we are analyzing. Okay, then for a sell trade, it is just the reverse. You need to find the histogram bars trading below the zero level. So once the first histogram bar forms below the zero level, you can consider entering a sell trade. Then when the MACD line begins to trade below or move below the zero line, it's just an indication that the bearish momentum is quite strong and the bearish move is continuing. So you can now patiently wait until you see a crossover from the MACD indicator. When the histogram bars crosses over to above the zero level, you can then quit your sell trade. So had it been we had entered this sell trade from around here up till around here, we would have caught about 1100 pips, or 1120 pips thereabout. So that is going to be that would have been a really good move. So now we have looked at how to identify buy and sell opportunities using the MACD indicator. How do you set your stop loss and take profit levels? Now let us look into that. Once you enter your sell trade, a good spot for setting your stop loss is above the resistance level, the nearest resistance level. So after you've entered your sell trade, right after the indicator gives you a signal, you can consider setting your stop loss right above the resistance level. And then for your take profit, you can either choose to set it at the nearest support level, which would have been this, or you can wait for the MACD to give you a reverse signal, that is a buy signal. So once a buy signal shows up when you are in a sell trade, then it is a sign to exit your sell trade. Now the opposite applies to the buy. When you are in a buy trade, you can set your stop loss right below the support level, the nearest support level, and then for your take profit, you can consider the nearest resistance level if you can find one that is close by, or you can just wait for the MACD to give you a sell signal, which will be an indication to exit your buy trade. Now let us combine the MACD with the moving average. You can combine the MACD with any other indicator. Just for extra confirmation, you can combine the MACD with other indicators and with trend lines and price action, basically for extra confirmation. But in this video, let us add our moving average to the chart and we can use it for extra confirmation. So now this is the 50 MA. Now we can see that when the MACD gave us a buy signal, which is when the, okay, let us use here, when the MACD gave us a buy signal, when the histogram bar formed above the zero level, we can see that at that same point, the price broke above the moving average. So this is like an additional confirmation that this buy signal is valid. So we can use the moving average just to confirm the signals we get from the MACD, right? And then let us consider a sell. We can see that when the MACD gave us a sell signal, around that same point, the price of the asset dropped below the moving average. So this is an additional confirmation that the sell signal is valid. So we would have considered entering a sell right after the MACD gave us a signal and the MA confirmed it. So you can use any other indicator to combine with your MACD for confirmation. You can use any other indicator to form a powerful trading strategy with your MACD. So that is basically it, guys. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like, subscribe, and share, and also hit the notification bell so that you can get updated on more videos for trading insights. Cheers, guys, and happy trading.